Welcome.
Cooking Corner with Raccoons Anonymous. Today, we'll show you how to make
Chicken
nuggies. Chicken
There's a
nuggies.
chicken on the thing.
That's what's up.
There's a chicken. It's chicken nuggies, raccoon style. Let's begin.
First step is to light the Shabbos candles so that our kitchen may be blessed with good smell.
Our recipe. If you send me the video, I'll work. Our recipe is brought to you by LoveBakesGoodCakes.com. It's time to prepare the ingredients. Okay, so I have to combine the chicken with some cornstarch and some spices. I'm thinking maybe cinnamon. They don't really seem to specify how much chicken and how much cornstarch.
Oh. First we wash our hands in this kitchen. H-I-K, my hands are clean.
It says add spices, cornstarch, and water. So, hopefully this also works with turkey. Here we have our chicken. But we must tenderize. So it's tender. Oh,
Lib man.
it already looks great. I'm going to do half of a tablespoon cornstarch. Now I'll add some water. It's nature's lifeblood. How much water? Once again, we have no idea. Already looking delicious. Freshly ground pepper. Because we're gonna die young anyway. Mix it all together. Die, chicken!
Why'd you put spices?
It's crazy.
That's pretty long.
Let's hope our turkey nuggies.
See, he's got a lot of wrist action there.
Some of the chicken is stuck.
Are you gonna lick the spoon?
What do you do about that? What do you...
Yeah.
Oh. It's a viewer tip.
Viewer tip. Next up is my favorite part.
For utensils.
It's been washed!
Chef?
The most important piece today is our mold.
Wait,
A
turn it around.
beautiful
It's back.
Raccoon. Time to mold our chicken stuff. I like to use my hands.
That's what she said.
It feels so nice in my hand. Question right now.
Wait, you weren't a character?
I wonder the structural properties of
Turkey?
chicken.
Whoa.
Seem kind of sus lately.
Let's not forget my favorite ingredient. One single drop of blood.
Wait, I'm gonna be eating this.
Wait, what?
Some cornstarch.
Okay.
Some water.
It's moving.
Water.
I saw it
Wait.
move.
Any like egg or
We have now transferred our first raccoon friend to the baking sheet. We'll make a few more, and it's time to freeze. We're gonna have to freeze it, and then after it's
And now we're gonna do the essential process of cooking, peeing.
Next, we're going to add our chicken nugget molds to the freezer. now we wait.
Oh, I like that part.
I don't rate other parts very well.
You're too slow.
Yeah, maybe it's a little Sonic-y, yeah.
I did it for 10 seconds! Looks like the nuggies are ready. Not again. We'll get to that later. Now that that's taken care of, let's take the chicken nuggies out of the freezer. Yes. Now they look firm, it's time to dredge and fry with egg, flour, and breadcrumb. Okay. You just keep my feet. Splash, splash, splash. This raccoon likes to play.
Why are you filming me? I'm a.
Stop! No, that's supposed to be.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Alright,
What are you doing with the oil?
oil's where it's gonna be fried.
Oh, fuck.
Now that our raccoon is properly dredged and breaded, it's time to fry that fucker. Mmm. We'll fry him for about 7 minutes, and then he'll be ready to eat. Yeah, keep it on
I'll
there.
do the time lapse.
You love me, so I'll let you go. Oh, you warm my heart like the sun and the snow.
Very delicious.
Yum, yum. I'd eat it right now if it wouldn't scald my insides.
Scold or scald?
Scald. It seems our furry friend is ready. Well, thank you for joining us on this Raccoon Nugget cooking safari. There's only one thing left to do. Taste it. Bon appetit. Oh, look at that fresh chicken meat. You know it's chicken when it's gray like that. You'll be the first to swallow some of it.
Pretty bad.
Fucking sucks.
Rest in peace, Henry.
What?
You just ate Henry.
Oh,
This was a Henry Nuggie.
Damn, he actually tastes better than I thought.
Yeah, honestly, like, throw a little paprika on that, and like some rosemary or something, and maybe some brown sugar.